At approximately 7:13 p.m., two officers from the Specialized Community-Oriented Police Enforcement, or SCOPE team, were in the area of South Central and Michigan Avenues when they attempted to initiate a traffic stop on a gray Volkswagen Passat. The vehicle failed to stop and sped away eastbound at a high rate of speed. Officers followed the vehicle to the intersection of Marcassano and West Streets, where the suspect vehicle turned northbound. Please note that one of the reasons for the initial stop was that officers knew from our intelligence that the vehicle had been involved in a number of recent incidents. The suspect in this incident is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. The vehicle continued northbound on West Street before turning eastbound on Illinois Avenue. When the suspect vehicle reached the 400 block of Illinois Avenue, it stopped briefly to allow passenger, later identified as 19-year-old Jose Gonzalez Jr., to exit the vehicle.
He's running northbound, car kept going.
Gonzalez then fled northbound on foot. Officer Owen McGuinness got out to pursue Gonzalez while his partner drove around the block in order to locate Gonzalez. The silver Volkswagen Passat fled the scene northbound on South Main Street and was never located. Officer Owen McGuinness chased Gonzalez through the backyards of the residences and over several fences.
Shots fired, shots.
10-4, shots fired, shots fired.
Officer McGuinness, along with his partner and other officers who had responded to the scene, were able to take Gonzalez into custody.
Is anyone hit?
Where you hit?
10-4, suspect hit.
I got you. Here, I got one right here. I got a car right here. Here. Yeah, I got one.
Officers administered first aid to Gonzalez until an ambulance arrived. Gonzalez was transported to a local hospital where he was treated for non-life-threatening injuries.
X5, stop the car, Central in Michigan.
Central in Michigan, go ahead.
He's fleeing, he's going, show me a Volkswagen.
10-4, Volkswagen. Which direction of travel? 10-4, do you have a direction of travel?
It was going north on West Street, north on West.
10-4, West Side X5 had a unit flee, Central in Michigan. It's going to be a gray Volkswagen.
Somebody's passenger door's open. He's running. There's a guy running on Illinois and Main. Illinois and Main.
One running, Illinois and Main, hold traffic.
He's running northbound, car kept going. McGuinness in pursuit. It's going northbound.
10-4, running northbound. Description, please.
I hear someone that jumping the fences back here. Hey!
10-4, jumping fences. Need more units that way.
En route.
10-4.
Shots fired.
10-4, shots fired. Shots fired. Where are you at? Where are you at?
16 route.
X5, where are you at?
I'll give you an address.
10-4.
Everybody can slow down. Slow everyone down.
X5, where's he shot at?
He's in the right leg.
10-4, right leg. 10-4.
Show Sandpipe out here also.
No.
Squads, don't block the traffic. Let medical get through here.
23. 10-4. Disposition check on Illinois.
We're 97.